If you've ever wondered whether an automatic curling iron can actually make long hair easier, this is one of those moments worth paying attention to. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we take a calm, honest look at products that are designed to earn their place in your routine. Today, we're reviewing the Tymo CurlPro Plus automatic rotating curling iron, a 1-inch ceramic curler created specifically for long hair. It features an upgraded long barrel, dual heating elements, and a fully automatic curling system designed to reduce effort and improve consistency. If your hair ranges from shoulder length to waist length and you want polished curls without advanced technique, this product is clearly aimed at you. You'll find the purchase link in the description. At its core, the CurlPro Plus is an automatic rotating curling iron that wraps, heats, and releases hair with a single button press. A built-in timer signals when each curl is ready, helping prevent overexposure to heat while delivering repeatable results. The longer barrel is a key detail, allowing more hair to be styled evenly in one pass, which matters when working with length or density. Reason number 1. Designed specifically for long hair, many curling tools claim to suit all hair lengths, but the extended barrel on the CurlPro Plus noticeably improves the experience for long hair users. You spend less time resectioning and repositioning, which leads to smoother curls and a more relaxed styling process. Over time, that ease of use makes daily styling feel far less demanding. Reason number 2. Automatic curling that minimizes technique errors. The rotating mechanism and floating plate guide hair smoothly into the barrel, reducing tangles and uneven wraps. This is especially helpful for beginners or anyone who wants reliable curls without developing professional technique. The result is consistency that feels intentional rather than accidental. Reason number 3. Faster styling through even heat distribution. Tymo's dual PTC heating system delivers steady, balanced heat across the barrel. For long hair, this reduces total styling time while avoiding the need for extreme temperatures. Fewer passes mean less cumulative heat exposure, which supports healthier hair over the long term. Reason number 4. Defined curls with natural movement. The CurlPro Plus is engineered to create bouncy curls that can hold for up to 72 hours, depending on hair type and styling products. The finish remains soft and touchable, avoiding the stiffness that often comes with long-lasting styles. Reason number 5. Safety-focused design and polished results. A 360-degree anti-scald exterior, anti-tangle technology, and tourmaline ceramic coating improve both comfort and confidence during use. The release of 600 million negative ions helps reduce frizz and enhance shine. It's trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, reinforcing its credibility as a long-term styling tool. In final assessment, the Tymo CurlPro Plus isn't designed for advanced manual styling techniques, and creative control is slightly reduced by automation. However, for long-haired users who value consistency, efficiency, and dependable results, it stands out in its category. If simplifying your curling routine while maintaining healthy-looking hair matters to you, this is a well-considered option. Review the details below and make your decision with confidence.